Umengameli uRamaphosa uthi engqungqutheleni yesithathu yotshalomali kuleli izwe yayibanjwe kuleli ngo-2020, inkampani Sandvik ingenye yezinkampani ezasukuma zazibophezela ekutshaleni imali engu-350 million.
Today we see the real product of that commitment in the form of this investment. In the State of the Nation address which I delivered this year, I said that government is working extremely hard to attract investment by creating conditions that would enable businesses to come and invest here.
Uthi le ndawo ekhiqizayo kuleli ivula amathuba amasha kuleli.
Through such investments that you made a commitment of, and through the expansion of our productive capacity, through the implementation of far-reaching economic reforms that we've embarked upon and are implementing, and through our efforts also to reduce the cost of doing business in South Africa, we are laying a firm foundation for growth and employment.
Le nkampani iqashe izisebenzi ezingamakhulu amahlanu kuleli.
We have heard that the Khomanani Manufacturing Site is one of Sandvik's biggest and most advanced facilities, not only for here in South Africa but globally as well, consolidating operations from 5 separate sites and accommodating well over 500 employees.
Uthi ujabule ukuthi abantu besifazane babelelwe kule nkampani.
It was good also to interact with the staff, and in particular to see also women represented, but also to see how Sandvik has lived up to a good representation of the demographics of our country.
Unxusa kuba kusetshenzwe ngokubambisana njengoba iSandvik yenzile.
Khomanani is a really outstanding and a beautiful name. It basically means let's hold hands together and move forward. So here I saw a lot of people holding hands together, and we'd like to hold hands with Sandvik and move forward.